I open Paint 3D app in my Windows computer. So suppose if you are using this app, that is Paint 3D, this application in your Windows computer, and if you want to hide or show or hide this canvas using a keyboard shortcut, this video we discuss. For showing or hiding this canvas, you must use a keyboard shortcut that is in your computer keyboard. There you can see this is the control key, this is the shift key, and this is the W key. So if you press these three keys at the same time, one of your finger is in this control key, another is in the shift key, and another is in W key. So if you press these three keys at the same time, then you can see that we have hide the canvas now. And suppose if you want to enable it back, you must press these three keys once again, control key, shift key, and W key at the same time. And you can see that we are showing the canvas. For more you can subscribe.